Practically, we never want our applications to crash in case of runtime errors. Applications should handle these errors gracefully and not just shut down. That's where we use exception handling. Let's say we have this code which takes two numbers from user and divides them. Now this code is suspicious. It can crash our program if user types 0 value for b. In such a case, our program should not crash. Instead, it should simply say cannot divide the numbers. To fix this, we put suspicious code inside a try block. After the try block, include a except statement followed by a block of code which handles the error elegantly. And here we are simply showing an error message which is cannot divide the numbers. So that's how we handle such errors nicely in our applications. In Python, we use try except around the piece of code which is suspicious and can cause crash. We just covered the most basic use of try except, but as a beginner, I think it's sufficient for you to start with.